Okay, so that's good. So when let's talk about support now. So once you're done with meters and everything's good, and you deploy it, and when you are testing something or deploying something, something goes wrong. Um, how do you work with this? So the first thing I want to talk about is how long does it take to publish my technical assets, right? So in the case of a virtual machine, you know, the time to engage is about 24 hours to get something approved, and in managed app is about 7. So make sure that as you're planning your deployment for the marketplace, you also take in account in your project management tool that there will be at least 7 days where you will have to wait for the team to get back to you. And then, of course, if something needs to be fixed, this go back into the queue, and you will probably have to wait another 7 days. Usually, it's never the case, but just that's kind of like the SLA for us. Okay, so if something goes wrong, well, you get an error in the marketplace, you cannot publish. Let's say you're trying to set up your tax IDs, or you try to upload the package zip and you get an error, you cannot access it. We do have a marketplace dedicated team to help you get your offer through our system. So if you have any of these issues, feel free to go into marketplace. There's gonna be like a question mark at the top of Partner Center, and click that, and then you will have a menu like this, and then of course you select the type of product that you're dealing with, and then that will route your ticket through the system, so we can have the proper team helping you getting your offer up to speed. But usually this is not something that happens, but we want to make sure that if it do happen here in the workshop, you know exactly where to go. Hey, I have this issue. Where do I go? This is where you go. Go on the Partner Center, click there, and then follow the wizard that we have for you, so you can get the dedicated team to support you. Okay. Okay, so let's go over the Partner Center publishing process. It's another walkthrough. This should be a lot faster than the one that we had before. So if you want, please go to the URL that we used before. Go to the lab 2, and there's a walkthrough on the entire process to get your application published.